So today what I'm making is some little handmade soaps that is for a local inn here in Vermont. Hey, this is Diane, the owner of Vermont Lavender, and I just want to show you how to make this cold process soap using different colorants, designs, and the molds. And I'm using Intuition for Men fragrance oil. It's a beautiful scent that men or women love to use, and so there's quite a few molds here. I have them all set right over here. So this is Fleur de Lis, a cold process soap, and I'm just using, it's a basic recipe with the palm, the coconut, the olive oil has castor oil in it. It has, I have my, which is in hemp seed oil, and I like using that. And then I have some chrome green oxide, and this is a matte lavender, so it's a purple. So it gives it the purple, the green, I have a little bit of the white. So this is a beautiful scented soap, and I'm making that today. My oils are 83, so this is very cool soaping, and my lye is 89, so it's definitely below the 120 mark. And so I'm just going to use my stick blender, try to break the lye going in. Okay. All right, let's get this all mixed up. All right. Oh yeah, that's definitely. When you do this and you swirl it around, you can barely, I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but you can barely see like little fine traces of the soap on top. It does that with like frosting, if you make any cakes and stuff like that. It's very similar. So I'll whisk this in. Whisk right here. Alright, now I'm going to split it off. I have quite a bit here. I should have put my color in, but that's okay. Alright, so this is the white, and it's with the hemp seed oil, so it gives it a darker color. That's a really dark purple. That's okay. That'll look really pretty. It smells really nice. It is not a strong scent. So and I've been making soaps for this business for, oh my gosh, probably over 5 years. So I've had this account for a long time, so it's really nice to have a business like that that you can count on for the some wholesale business, especially this day and age with everything going on. So now we'll get the green in there. And these are his colors, so green and purple. That's the colors that they like. Starting to get a little thick on me. It's not really super white, and that's because of the hemp seed oil. And I have a little bit of, let's see, oh, dark olive oil in there. Wow, that has really gone up in cost. Holy smokes. That raises the cost of your making soap. your ingredients. The olive oil, I can't believe how much it is. Wow. I'm sure other soapers have noticed the same thing. And I tried to buy as much as I could many years ago. But, you know, you go through it so fast, especially when you're making some soaps. Okay. So I just do a little bit like this. And I don't fill these up all the way because they make a really thick soap, and I use small glassine bags that I put them in. So it makes it really nice that he can give to his guests that stay overnight, you know, at the inn. And then you just put a little bit of this on there, like so. We got the purple. Alright. And I do have soaps like this available in my shop if you are interested in checking out the scent. And hopefully I don't have too much in here. We'll see. It is a little messy. That's the fun of making soaps, right? It can be a little messy. Try not to be, but it is. Alright, so I gotta bang it down. And where's my skewer? Okay, so I'm going to shake it so it kind of like has to hit all the points. And see how you can kind of see the little raised part of the mold itself. You can see the little raised part. So I try not to go too high, and it's just barely covering it because it's these little teeny bags. I'll show you what it is, what it looks like. And then how I do this is I do so many of them, I just put some cardboard, cardboard down, and then I put it on top, and I just stack it because I do so many of them. And I'll probably just put it in my oven. And I don't have my oven on. So then I just go like this. I have another video showing this. Just gives it a little bit of a design. Do this one here. So you just go back and forth. And I just go the opposite direction. And I am going all the way down. So it creates a nice little swirl. So what I usually do is I do a whole bunch of them, and then I do this. Alright. So that's that. And if you want to continue watching, I'm going to do several of them. Because it's starting to get a little bit thicker. I just want to get it so it's a little bit loose. And I have it quite a bit here, so I have to get going. It's starting to get kind of thick. Whoa, ooh, that's too much. These right here, this design here is dragonflies. And this design is fleur-de-lis, so it's a French flower, and that's his favorite, my customer's favorite. So he wanted to know if I had any bigger ones like that. I said no, nope, that's it. I don't know if you can see this. I'm just pouring it here, and I'm just like guesstimating. And there's a lot right there, so I have more that I need to do. I'm going to run out of room here. Okay, and then, so you just, it's getting a little thick, so I'm just loosening it up right here. And I'm just going to pour a little bit because I have a big glob right there. Right here. That's a little bit too much. I might do some soap samples for my customers because it seems like I have a lot right here. And they like that when they come in the shop. They like to have some little samples that they can either use themselves or they give out as gifts, but a lot of them just like to try it, I think, try the scents. And it's nice to be able to offer that to my customers. I really do enjoy that. So see how thick that is? Not frosting consistency, because when you make frosting, soap frosting, it really has to be a lot thicker than this. Let's do a little bit. The green is very prevalent. That's why I don't put much of it in there. But yeah, the soap frosting has to be a lot thicker. That's what I learned. And that was fun. I made the basil, lavender basil soap, lemon eucalyptus soap. Oh, it smells wonderful. And it's a nice summer soap. But that was a lot of fun piping those purple flowers. So if you haven't seen that video, I do have that. It's in the playlist. Okay, so let's just do a little shimmy right here, because that's kind of like what I'm doing. So it doesn't have to be perfect. You just have to get it all in the little corners. Yeah, it is up on the edges, but what I do when this is all set and I'm ready to unmold it, usually like the next day, I wait a little while. I take them all apart, I wait a little while, and then I clean everything up. Okay, this one came out nice. That one's a little bit, see, it's covered all the, you can barely see the lines. That's too thick. It has to be barely seeing the little bit of the raisiness of the mold. But if you're thinking about, like, for stocking stuffers, these make really nice soaps, and to add to any gift boxes or anything like that, you can do like a whole sample set of little soaps. So just some ideas if you are a soap maker. All right, so now let's do the design, and then I will show you the finished product. I'm going to pour some more, and hopefully you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. And I really do appreciate all my subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing. I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.